Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing this Nike Air Max Alpha Trainer 5 and in the iron ore / black colorway. Today we have it in the US size 9 size. Oh yes, US size 9. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and unbox it. So here we've got the left and the right shoe. It's got like a wide base, which is quite good for working out. It's quite comfortable, and it's good for activities such as lunges. Here we've got the Air Max heel, which is provides comfortable like cushion like support. We got a heel tab at the back, so you can put it on quite easy. And we've got like a breathable like mesh design, which is good for keeping your feet cool while you're working out. As you can see, like the iron ore like sort of colorway, it looks like cookies and cream, which looks pretty nice. It's very stylish while providing a like good stability for your workouts, and whether it's like light workouts or heavy workouts, or just even like everyday use, it's quite nice. And on the right shoe, it says on the heel Max to just show off the branding. And yeah, that's and it's got like a flat, like I said, like a wide base for the sole, so it is quite comfortable, and it's like stability for your feet. Yeah, here you can have a look at the rubber outsole if you want to look at the pattern and design. It's like it looks like tire treads, and it feels quite grippy just touching it right now. Says training, air, and power on here. Let's have a look at the left shoe if it's any different. No, it looks just the same. It's got the Air. Oh yeah, it's got the Air Max branding here. Oh yeah, sorry. In the Air, it says Air on the left and Max on the right shoe. So yeah, they're quite stylish branding. So yeah, thank you for watching.